buat. Sekarang ni pukul 6.43. Ipah tengah masak-masak.
Habis masak-masak, dia nak masak.
Ipah apa? Tak apalah. Kayaknya orang tak ramai. Dia ni saya nak masak. Sikit lah.
Apa dekat muka ni? Saya pun tak jadi.
How do you feel after you fell into the pool? Ada korban keluar ayam tadi.
나를 찾아왔던 밤이 끝이라면 가만히 서야 광별을 하나 둘셋 붙잡을 수 없어 내 맘에 땀을 드네
We are on the way to go to IOI to buy some items for tonight, shabu, and tomorrow barbecue. We need to find item also to cook the traditional food like dalcha, rendang, biryani for tomorrow. Macam kakak-kakak kita raya different place each time.
Raya kena tidur dulu macam ni.
Rambut raya lupa bahagia.
잠든 시간은 좀 실패하지만 no no 눈 뜨면 다시 복잡해지는 맘 no.
We are here at Home Pro. We just bought this because we're gonna do shabu shabu tonight plus grilling. Because we forgot to bring ours, so in the end we have to buy a new one.
Rasa bantai. Kenapa?
Come, we are running short of time.
없이 퍼지는 하늘 사라지지 않게 붙잡아 Forget to choose this life 널 기다리지 않는 시간들 사이 Twilight
Ni kami nak bersih ayam. Tunjuk ayammu. Oh, esok raya ya guys. So kami nak buat ayam masak merah. And dalcha kari. Lontong. Oh, barbecue. Barbecue untuk malam. Lepas tu lontong, kari daging, kari prawn kari. Dengan ayam masak merah tengah.
Assalamualaikum, selamat Hari Raya daripada kami Syarul Munir Syafi'i dan keluarga, the whole 12 of us plus 3 grandchildren, 15. Selamat Hari Raya.
Selamat Hari Raya Aidilfitri, maaf zahir dan batin.
Saya Syarul Munir.
Saya Syarul Munir dan keluarga.
Mana Erina Anisha juga dah sini. Tunjuk tu kat kamera. Kata apa? Nana cakap saya. Dia raya. Really love dia.
Beratok macam ni, mereka beratok macam ni. Kalau baba, aunty dengan mama beratok macam ni. Ini akan tanya soalan lain-lain. Contoh kita nanti tanya soalan lain. So, anak mana yang paling apa? So budak tu, kira pilih budak tu dengan cara rejam kepala dengan ayam. Who's most likely to steal your snack when you are not looking? Rejam dia sendiri. Which sibling would you trust with your credit card for a day? Who was the most mischievous when they were little? Which sibling could win an Olympic gold medal in procrastination? Who was the biggest troublemaker in the family growing up? Okay, so this if you could switch place with one of your kids for a day, who would it be?
For a day. Oh, nak tidur kan?
Which sibling is most likely to prank you in the future? Who would you say is the most likely to become a superhero? Which sibling gets the most dramatic over small problem? The most likely to eat something weird just to see your reaction. Mungkin orang yang suka buat pelik-pelik. Which sibling could win an award for being the most convincing liar? Who's most likely to accidentally break something and then blame someone else?
Kenapa?
Which sibling take the longest to get ready? Who would you nominate for a World Best Nipper Award?
Oh, tidak.
Be the first to forget their own birthday.
Dia kau berhenti di parlimen kan?
Ayo. Okay, next question. Next question. Which sibling is most likely to have a pet that's weirder than them? Who would you trust the least to follow directions on a road trip? Which sibling would most likely to get lost in their own neighborhood? Ni anak terpaling eh. Who's the most likely to start an argument over something super trivial?
Which sibling is the best at pretending they didn't eat the last cookie? Who's most likely to give you the worst advice? Which sibling would accidentally send a text to the wrong person?
Mama. Jam your head, Reza. Bayangkan ni, saya tak ada.
Who would survive the longest in a zombie apocalypse?
Lagi boleh buat. Boleh buat. Tapi tu mati lah. Marcai. Oh, Lita. Lita. Marah. Ketupat. Oh, lagi. Oh, bandangnya. Emel landai. Anak-anak fikir salah. Budak-budak di beraya mengamuk tak dapat duit banyak. Jumpa. Dia pergi beraya makan kenyang sangat. Temu ni. Makan sampai dah beranak. Sampai tak boleh bagus. Ya. Seberita. Sebab lemak. Pasal lemak. Sebab lemak. Pasal lemak. Sebab yang tadi. Kena tangkap Ashraf. Ashraf kena tangkap. Kena tadi. Kami balik tahu sekali je. Kami sampaikan doa dari jauh ya. Nani dengan Tokbah, semoga tenang di sana. Kami doakan. Okey dah. Dah. Pura-pura jadi tukang servis open house. Tawarkan air dan kuih kepada semua orang selama 1 minit. Rendang. Air macam marah. Tiru budak kecil merengek nak duit raya. Mengada-ngada depan semua orang. Joget raya. Ini apa ni?
Sekian, terima kasih.
Kita buat barbecue sodak punya. Dia nak pipi buat. Berapa bulan ni menyalakan arang. Pengorbanan.
Tidak apa-apa.
Ni ice cube, RM100.
Oh, mahal ni.
Hey, this is more premium, you see? Sungai Pelek.
Dia punya lawak. Kali besar ayam. Selamat raya kedua. Kedua.
Tak selamat lagi sebab dah kena pergi rumah ni.
Kami baru balik daripada homestay. Terus sekarang ni kami dekat rumah.
Rumah kemar
Ya Allah.
Dudut.
Ish, kami nak pergi beraya rumah nenek.
Nenek kesayangan Dudut.
So, betul ni? Ni semalam lepas keluar swimming pool tiba-tiba ada merah ni. Bertumbuk kan dia.
Yes.
Memang kereta mana?
Kamu cik.
Siapa? Kamu yang bawa apa? Ha? Tak kerja?
Tahu.